Well, I'm on a spot that I was gonna go to last season and I never made it to. It's kind of a little lower elevation, so the rocks aren't so big, but there are decent sized ones here. And in past years I've come here and have had some success. So see a piece of jasper over there. These blackberries are all kind of growing where normal people without boots would walk. So I figure past this point, probably not many people have been up here yet. I mean, I am seeing some red jaspers. I mean, that piece is worth keeping. Maybe not that little one. See one over there. So I think as I walk up this, to see how far I can get, I'm going to look for red jasper. It's the easiest to see. I do want to see this lightning jasper. I like that little green in the end, but that's all I see. I think I'm gonna maybe leave this sticking up here on a rock. Whoops. And look for a red jasper. See something red over there. I see something orange and something red. Oh, it's kind of maroon red. Kind of interesting. It's got a lot of striping. Oh, I see something red up here. Pretty bright red. Right in there. Yeah, not that big, but nice color. Maybe see one over here and over there. Okay, I'm gonna look at this one first. Not red enough. I don't think this one's red enough. Come on. Nope. That's kind of a cool spotted jasper. I don't know. I mean, what do you do with it? Let's see this red. Nah. Okay. Okay, I just found this red jasper with quartz in it. It's not super red, but I think it is a little dirty also. And I think I'm gonna think about it. Well, pretty evening up here. Water's nice and clear. Looks like it's about 3 foot deep right there. I was able to get across through those rapids. And then I just found about probably one of the least desirable quartzite colors for me, but I'll go ahead and keep it since I don't have a lot in my bucket. But you can see that gravel bar's probably sticking up 3 feet, so the water's come through here pretty quick, and looks like I can walk up for a while, then cross, go up. I don't know if I can get across way up there, but I may have been in that spot before. I'm not sure. Have to wait till I see. So just keeping my eyes open for especially red jasper, but anything interesting. Well, that looks like that. There's a piece of quartzite. Not too pretty, but that looks like a little piece right there, maybe. Yep. So got some green in it. I'm just thinking, okay, polish it out. Might look good. Worth a try. Okay, here's something green that I normally wouldn't even look at, but I'm gonna take a peek at it. Oh, actually, it's pretty cool. It's like some, looks like green jasper to me. I like that red streak, but that's about all I really like. So I'm gonna pass. Well, I think I kind of reached the end of the road here. Yeah, I can't get across this. I mean, maybe if I went through the woods here, maybe, but I do recognize up there as a spot I've been from coming around the other way, so going downstream. And so that's I don't know, 100-yard stretch that I'm not going to be able to get to, I don't think, until the water level goes down quite a bit more. So not really finding too much. Yeah, I found some kind of green one here that I like. I'd like to find that a lot bigger, but got a real nice color. So I decided to take this green one. It's kind of spotted. And then I am taking that big red one I showed you earlier, just because I don't have a lot of stuff, and I'm getting close to getting back to my truck. Well, I came over on this side and I just found this rock here that looks kind of like jasper. Kind of striped. Pretty cool. And I see the waterway split up, and there's a bunch of logs over there that are kind of in the way for me to go over there. So I'll do that another day. I think this whole area has probably been picked over pretty good. Maybe I can get over there. I know the road is just right over here, so a lot of people stop and have their dogs and kids, and see some tracks right here. Someone's been out here the last few days. Looks like I could probably walk across that. I think I'll wait for another day and then just go this way and go through all those boulders and then see what's down around the corner. See a couple of reds here that grab. Where to go? There's one up there. Right here is one. That's a nice red. Maybe I do gotta walk through here. It gets a little deeper, but I don't see any more red here. Pretty slick. Cool conglomerate rock right there. I can make it across here. It's deep. Yep, let's take a last look. Gotta go up and get my bucket, 50 yards. See if I see any red. The sun's in a great position. Oh, there's a red. Oh. Yeah, not the greatest, but I'll keep it since I got the space in my hand. Could be something here. It's kind of like that big one I found. Oh, I'm seeing some reds, but I don't have the hand space. Okay, there's my bucket, and I found one quartzite that has some interesting stripes. There's two ways. I mean, it's not the greatest, that's for sure, but so I'm gonna go in that bar, and that little path just leads right out. Okay, I'm gonna cut this jasper. Some nice striping. Nice. Real nice. Yeah. Those are going to be some nice pendants. Probably kind of leave them that shape even. Sweet.